and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Marlon, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it.
So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See, yeah, down there. Go ahead, subscribe. It'll really help me out.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the topic. Today I am gonna be showing you guys how I organize my pantry. As you guys see right here, the sign Pantry. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby for about 16 bucks. My dumb head did not use the coupon, which you could use coupons. So if you want to go buy it, buy it. I know that's where I messed up, but things happen. So if you are interested in watching this video and how I fix my pantry and ideas and stuff, go ahead and keep watching. So when I moved to this house, I really didn't organize at the beginning. From the beginning, I knew that I wanted to make a video on organizing my pantry, how I always wanted my pantry, but I want to show you guys up before. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start moving things out of the first shelf. So I'm looking at stuff, making sure things are still okay, things are good. Now, this is one of my favorite products to use, Lysol. I feel like it works well. You can use it on many type of surfaces. So I'm making sure it's clean before I add this grip liner that I did purchase at the 99-cent store, which was not 99 cents, but it was about 2 bucks. So I am measuring it and making sure I get the right length. So I start clearing up some more of the shelves, just getting things out of the way. And I just want to make sure that everything is clean before I put this grip liner. I've been having these acrylic containers for a while now. If it was really up to me, I would go out to Home Goods, buy new ones and everything, but I really wanted to save money, especially now that we do have a bigger home, our mortgage is higher. So I do want to save money wherever I can. So I am reusing these. They are still in good condition. They look great, and I really like that I could see what's inside. So I am adding my baby's food into this: rice, flour, beans, my pancake mix, a few things. My cereal containers, I also purchased them at Home Goods. Now I am organizing the acrylic organizers. The next thing that I'm doing is that I'm organizing where the aluminum foil goes and the plastic baskets right here. I did purchase them at Costco a year or two ago. I believe a year ago, but I really like them. They were 2 for $20. It makes a pantry looks very nice. So I didn't just want to leave the middle empty, and I just didn't want to add another container in there. So I decided to add this plant, which I purchased at Target. It was about $7.99. And these plastic containers right here, I did purchase at Dollar Tree, $1 each, and I did get a few. Now in one of them, I am going to put all my breads, and then in the other one, I am adding the potatoes. At the very bottom, I am adding 3 other containers, which I'll be adding the kids' snacks, popcorn, chips, and all of that. I didn't plan to store my sodas like this, but since they fit like that, I was like, hey, what the heck? They're just gonna be organized like that. And then I'm also organizing my waters, just because, you know, it makes it look more fresh, more clean, more organized than just seeing plastic and cardboard boxes. So at the very top, I will be putting these empty containers. Now, like I mentioned, I haven't gone to the market, so these are empty for right now. All of these containers, I did purchase them at Home Goods. Now on this side of my pantry, I will be putting stuff that I don't really use, but I do use, but not like as often. So like I will be storing like napkins, extra baby food that I have, and right here I did decide to add my medicines, which is, you know, cough syrup, Tylenol for the kids. If you're a mom, you know you have to have like an extra bottle of Tylenol. I'm so sorry if you're against straws, but plastic straws are life. I did purchase all these boxes for 25 cents when they were on clearance. This is where I store them. This is where I also keep plastic spoons, forks. I also have this jar of candy that my husband likes these candies. I also like to have a cup, and I like to have straws inside just so it's easier for the kids to grab. So this is how my pantry is looking. I like how it looks fresh, clean, that you don't see so many cardboard boxes, that it's pretty much organized. Please excuse that my floors are not done yet. Like I mentioned to you guys, I moved to this house and we are still getting stuff done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little overview of how everything looks. I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if it helped you get more organized, if it gave you ideas, anything. Let me know what you liked about this video. So this is just basically how I organize. Some things might change, you know, I still have to go to the market, bring stuff, but I try not to bring a lot. Now that was my pantry. Now let me tell you guys, I haven't gone to the market, so there's things missing. Maybe one day I'll do another video showing you guys my pantry after I go to like the market or Costco. You know, when you go to Costco, you bring a lot of foods. So yeah, maybe I'll do you guys an update. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I would also like to invite you guys to watch other of my videos that I have created here on my channel. And something else I do want to mention is that I am going to be having a few different videos, makeup. I'm not sure when the makeup videos are gonna come, but pretty soon. Makeup, home, baby, clothes, everything. Well, if you guys don't follow me on my vlog channel, I did move recently, like about 3 months ago. So I am still decorating my house, my kitchen. Everything is different around here. So no more green walls. I don't know if you guys have been following me for a while, but no more green walls. They are great. Go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.